Look at that castle. Look at that pilgrim. Hola, peregrina. Buenos dias.
Let's walk.
The way.
The way.
Buen Camino! It's day 17. Oh. We are leaving. Where are we leaving?
Tostitos? No.
We're Castro Regis.
Castro, Cuba.
We can't say that one. Castro Regis.
Castro Jimenez.
No, and we're going to Boadilla. We're supposed to go to, that's right, isn't it? Boadilla. And we're supposed to go to Fromista, but we're gonna cut it a little short today because of my knee. And I don't have the backpack today. I'm not gonna have the backpack for the foreseeable future because we're just touch and go over here with the tendonitis. Kayla wanted to go to the grocery store and we decided since she's really fast and I'm really slow, I'm just gonna continue on without her so she can catch up and I can work on this hill. There's a really big hill coming. Oh my gosh, I can see it, it's huge. Anyways, I wanted to tell you guys, we keep just having the most incredible faith conversations. Last night at dinner, we had just the best conversation. We were able to like really comfort someone who had a lot of questions about God and about pain in their life, and I've met so many people walking the Camino for so many cool reasons. I wish I could like tell you all their specific stories, but I don't want to like disrespect people by talking about them on the internet. But people are walking like to overcome heartbreak, to empower themselves, like to find God, and like everyone's just like so open and interested and like looking for things, and it's really cool. And one of the common questions people ask you is like, why are you walking the Camino? And I'm walking the Camino because I really just felt like empowered by God to go for it, and I felt like a stirring in my spirit, and I didn't know how to explain that at first. And finally Kayla was like, just tell people the truth. Like the fastest, easiest, most correct way to explain why you're walking the Camino is that you felt like led by the Holy Spirit. I'm like, oh, you're right, that's right. So ever since I've been just telling people that, I swear every time I tell somebody that, something crazy happens. Like people just want to talk to you. Like last night, someone just was so desperate for God that they just were like, oh my God, please talk to me. And or people will tell me about like cool ministries they're doing, like that guy I met a couple days ago. Just like a quick act of like boldness and honesty. It's like people open up their hearts, and it's just been so cool. It's been so much fun. It's been one of my favorite parts, just meeting people. Like the physical challenge of this experience is a personal journey that I'm on, but like there's so much more happening that I can't always capture on film, of just like meeting people and getting to know them, building relationships, and like sharing our hearts and our faith. It's been, wow, it's been really cool. All right guys, here we go. We're going up here, then all the way up. Yikes. I made it up the hill. It took me about 1/2 of an Ed Sheeran album. It's about 20-30 minutes. I don't really know. It really wasn't that hard. These days going uphill for me isn't hard anymore. Like it used to be the most horrible thing in the world. Now like I can do it. It's fine. It's just the downhill. Oh, the tables have turned. The downhill I dread. But right now I feel like I'm on top of the world right now. This is crazy. Made it down the hill in about 2 Ed Sheeran songs, and it's funny, I just walked it backwards. It was paved, so it was really safe, and every time I walk down the hill backwards, I'll notice somebody ahead of me or like behind me, and they'll see me walking backwards and they'll try to walk backwards, and then they'll immediately like not like it, because it's kind of hard. You have to have a lot of balance, and it's just like every time. It's so funny. Look at this puppy! Caleb, will you stand next to him just so people know how big he is? He's big! He's so big. Yours.
It's a normal human size hand.
So... Hi! So we made it to the town where I sent my bag. I still can't remember what it's called. Boadilla something.
Castoria de Rosa.
And we decided we're just gonna walk 3 more miles, or it's like 3.5 or something, to the next town, because I heard they don't have a pharmacy and I'm out of painkillers. And oh, it's Boadilla del Camino. And I feel like we should just keep going. All the people in front of me right now, I roomed with them. It was 2 nights. And the guy behind me, his name's Rudy. I met him like a couple days ago. I'm running through the streets right now. It's raining. Well, I'm not running because I can't run. I'm not wearing pants. I'm not wearing a raincoat. It's really cold. But I'm trying to get to the pharmacy before it closes because when we were cooking our dinner, this guy told me about this like miracle gel that he says not only takes away the pain of your knees, but like will fix your, like recover your knees. The owner of the hostel says he recommends it to everyone, and people will call him and say like, I didn't think I could finish the Camino and this like fixed me. So it's like I'm running as fast as I can to go get it. I also already went to the pharmacy and I got this awesome pain reliever. So I already had this really awesome pain reliever that the girl from Seattle gave me a couple days ago. I got my own bottle.